Most people look at their backyard and see just a backyard, some grass, maybe a fence, a chair nobody sits in. But right now, there are people in completely ordinary neighborhoods running real businesses from that same space, making $2,500 a month, some even more. Not from a magic formula, not overnight, just from picking the right idea and actually sticking with it. Today, I'm showing you 5 backyard businesses that can genuinely get you there. And I'll be straight with you from the start. Give these 3 to 6 months of real consistency. These numbers aren't hype, they're just honest math. Let's get into it. Number 1. Backyard Photography Studio. Picture this Saturday morning. You're having coffee. Someone walks into your backyard, spends 2 hours taking photos, pays you $120, leaves. You didn't lift a finger. Photographers, content creators, small brands, families, they all need fresh outdoor locations constantly. They're done with plain studio walls. They want real, natural, different. That's your backyard. And you don't need to be a photographer. You just need to make the space look good. String lights, a wooden arch, clean greenery, a simple neutral backdrop. It costs around $300 to $500 to set it up properly. List it on Peerspace, post on Instagram, drop it in local Facebook groups. Start at $50 to $80 per hour. First month, maybe 4 to 6 bookings. Slow, normal, but as your reviews grow and your listing gets traction, by month 4 or 5, 6 to 8 bookings a week are realistic. At $70 average, that's $1,680 to $2,240 a month. Add a few full-day bookings and you're at $2,500. And once the setup is done, confirm the booking, unlock the gate. That's literally the job. Now this next one, most people don't see it coming. Number 2, backyard beekeeping. This one surprises people, but the numbers are hard to argue with. You set up a few hives, the bees do the work. You harvest and sell raw local honey, $10 to $15 a jar at any farmer's market. People don't even hesitate. But here's where most beginners leave money on the table. They only sell honey, and honey alone won't get you to $2,500. The real move is stacking income streams, honey sales, beeswax to candle makers, propolis for health buyers, and one stream most people never even consider, renting your hives to local farmers for pollination. Farmers pay $150 to $200 per hive per season just for that. With 4 to 6 hives running and all those streams combined, after 4 to 6 months of learning the process, $1,500 to $2,500 a month is genuinely within reach. The startup cost is around $300 to $500 for your first hive and basic gear. Takes patience early on, but once the system is running, it almost runs itself. This next one is completely different and a lot more obvious than you'd think. Number 3, backyard dog boarding. Pet owners are serious about their dogs, like genuinely serious. When they travel, the last thing they want is a cold, impersonal kennel. They want a real home for their dog, somewhere warm, safe, familiar. That's exactly what you offer. You take in 2 to 4 dogs at a time in your home and backyard, charge $35 to $55 per dog per night. Honest math, 3 dogs at $45 a night, 5 nights a week, $675 a week, around $2,700 a month. Month 1 won't look like that. You're building your profile on Rover, getting first reviews, earning trust. But here's what makes this business compound fast. Pet owners talk to other pet owners constantly. One happy client sends 2 friends. Those 2 send 2 more. By month 3 or 4, a steady $2,000 to $2,500 a month is very realistic. No special skills, just genuine care for animals and a backyard they can run around in. Okay, this next one sounds strange. Stay with it. Number 4, backyard vermiculture, worm farming. Before you scroll, give this 60 seconds, because this one quietly makes people serious money. You breed red wiggler worms in simple bins in your backyard, then sell them to fishermen, organic gardeners, composters, and urban farms. A pound of red wigglers, $25 to $30. But the real product is worm castings, natural fertilizer that organic gardeners are actively hunting for. $15 to $35 per bag. Consistent demand all year. In the first 2 to 3 months, you're building your worm population. Sales are slow, that's expected. But by month 4 or 5, with multiple bins running and regular buyers lined up, between live worm sales and castings, $1,000 to $2,500 a month is realistic. Startup cost? Around $100 to $150. It's an unusual business. That's exactly why almost nobody near you is doing it. And in business, no competition is a beautiful thing. And the last one, this is the one people always underestimate. Number 5, backyard chicken farming. Right now, fresh local eggs are in genuine demand. People in Facebook groups, at local markets, and talking to neighbors, they're actively looking for someone nearby selling real backyard eggs, not the pale, watery supermarket kind. The rich, golden yolk picked this morning kind. And they'll pay $6 to $9 a dozen without blinking. A flock of 15 to 20 hens gives you 10 to 14 dozen eggs a week. At $7 a dozen, around $300 to $400 a month starting out. But that's just the floor. You expand the flock as demand grows, sell premium fertilizer from the manure to local gardeners, sell chicks in spring when demand spikes hard, supply a few local restaurants on a consistent schedule. Stack all of that together after 4 to 6 months of building your customer base, $2,000 to $2,500 a month is a realistic target. And the thing about chickens that most people don't realize, they produce every single day, rain or shine, whether you're watching or not. Here's where most people go wrong, though. They watch a video like this, get fired up for 48 hours, and then do absolutely nothing. Month 1 of any of these businesses is going to feel slow. That's not failure. That's just what building something real actually looks like. The people making $2,500 a month from their backyards, they started small, made mistakes, adjusted, and somewhere about month 3 or 4, it stopped feeling like a grind and started feeling like something real. Your backyard didn't change. Your decision to use it is what changes everything. So 5 ideas: photography studio, beekeeping, dog boarding, vermiculture, chicken farming. Don't pick the most impressive sounding one. Pick the one that actually fits your space, your time, and how you're wired. Write it down today, take one small action toward it this week. That's genuinely all it takes to begin. And if you want more ideas like this, real businesses, honest numbers, no recycled nonsense, subscribe. New video every week. See you in the next one.